Bachelor of Information Management BIM is a 4 years, 8th semester and 126 credit hours coursework affiliated to Tribhuvan University and operated by a Faculty of Management. This is a blend of IT and management related coursework, or in other words, interdisciplinary coursework where students can design, develop, implement and execute the information communication and technology related products and services, as well as learn the core concept or functional areas of management in general. So BIM covers the core areas of IT, for example, programming, software development, database administration, network and communication, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, user interface and design, among others, and also covers the core areas of management, for example, finance, marketing, human resources, organizational behavior, business communication, statistics, sociology, and business strategies. So this interdisciplinary coursework is the perfect blend of IT and management related coursework. So the students can both design, develop and implement the technology related ideas into the organization. At the same time, they can also manage the people, process, system, operations and technology in different kind of organizations. So the nature of the course in the BIM is interdisciplinary in nature. There are 63 credits of information, technology and computing related coursework. There are 30 credits of management related coursework, which is based on the core areas of management, 21 credits of analytical and supporting coursework. There is 6 credits of elective coursework that will be chosen in the 8th semester, 3 credits of demonstration-based summer project, and 3 credit of internship as well. So this is interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary, and hybrid in nature, and it's got the blend of both IT and management-related course. For the admission process, students need to compulsorily pass on the CMAT examination. Students need to secure at least passing grade or 1.8 GPA and a passing grade in all subjects on the NAB board examination, and then they can visit IMS College with their relevant documents for the admissions process. So there are 60 seats for BIM at IMS College, and the seat will be offered on the first come first serve basis. So I'm going to talk about the scholarship structure. Based on the merit, we provide up to 80% scholarship on admission fee for the students based on their GPA, and there is also another category of scholarship that is mandated by Tribhuvan University. अर्थात् यो स्कलरशिप दुई भागमा बाँडिएको हुन्छ, आरक्षित र जेहेन्दार। यो पनि वेटेड एभरेज गरेर एउटा मेरिट लिस्ट निकालेर नै स्कलरशिपहरु अफर गरिन्छ। सो इन टोटल देयर आर 60 fee paying seats. Additional 6 positions are reserved for scholarship mandated by Tribhuvan University. There is a tremendous scope of BIM. IT itself is a very growing sector in Nepal and all over the world. Studentहरू BIM graduate भइसकेपछि they can become developer, programmer, software engineer, web developer, user interface designer, project manager, and they can also start their own projects or become an entrepreneur. So IT ले गर्दाखेरि business like provides a kind of a competitive or very distinct advantage. It has got very huge scope, and there is also need of people after post-COVID who can manage people, process, system, technology, risk and business operations. So BIM को interdisciplinary nature भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि IT को core area र management धेरै scope रहेको छ। So Institute of Management Studies IMS College was established on 2004. So the team of IMS College comprised of very senior researchers, top-notch academicians, business professionals, entrepreneurs, and a very young and a dynamic team. So at IMS College, we provide very non-credit course for the students for their exposure. अर्थात् विद्यार्थीहरूको knowledge, skills र abilities enhance गर्नको लागि हामी non-credit courseहरू पनि provide गर्दछौं। र त्यस्तै गरी we have also entered into the memorandum of understanding MOU with various career and placement partners, as well as different IT related organizations. We also regularly invite the IT professionals and IT practitioners to share the knowledge industries and knowledge insight related to IT, computing, programming, software development, and project management related tasks and activities. And we also operate this BIM degree on 5+1 model. That is 5 दिन विद्यार्थीहरूले आफूले रेगुलर कोर्स वर्कमा कोर्सहरू सिक्नुहुन्छ र 1 day, that is every Friday, we provide different exposure to students for their enhanced learning. अर्थात् पढेको कुरालाई practically implement गर्नको लागि हामी every Friday एक्टिभिटीहरू कन्डक्ट गराउँछौँ, so that it brings a perfect blend of knowledge as well as professional practice related to IT as well as management. BIM प्रोग्राममा हामी morning shiftमा BIM program operate गर्छौँ. That is, the class timing is 6:30 to 10:30. So 10:30 मा क्लास सकिसकेपछि students can prefer to go on to internship, freelancing, and they can also contribute in organizing different positions. अर्थात् आफ्नै जबहरू पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. So there will be a blend of study, academics, as well as professional practice. So these are some of the rewarding features of BIM at IMS College. To all the prospective students out there who are willing to study BIM at IMS College, we operate this BIM degree under the 5+1 framework. That is 5 days of the regular academic studies and 1 day, that is every Friday, we conduct different kind of activities and exposure to the students, and we also provide the non-credit coursework. So under the Friday activities, we provide the knowledge and skills related with different aspects of management as well as information technology. For example, computing, Python, mobile application development, software management, program management, and management related coursework harko lagi we conduct design thinking and different modules on leadership, public speaking, personality development. So तपाईहरु BIM degree को through बाट आफ्नो career IT and management field मा बनाउन interested हुनुहुन्छ भने you can definitely choose IMS College, and we're really excited to offer this BIM degree under very student friendly, student centric, and the dynamic framework. And let us know how can we contribute towards your learning, development, transformation, and overall growth and development and career building through BIM at Institute of Management Studies, Kathmandu. Thank you.